So let's review 19b before we look at the question that is associated with it. The standard 19b states, I can identify the impact of political and legal ideas contained in the following documents, the Jewish Ten Commandments. So if we go back and look at the Jewish Ten Commandments, the Jewish Ten Commandments, just a few of them state, you shall not murder, you shall not make idols, you shall not commit adultery, you shall not steal. Those Ten Commandments that you are to live by basically emerged out of the kingdom of Israel with the Jewish religion, Judaism. So let's look at this. Basically, what the Jewish Ten Commandments are and what their impact are is that people begin to use these Ten Commandments to live a morally good life. Okay, so basically it states here that a high standard of moral conduct applied universally to all people. The code of ethical behavior that will influence the development of later legal and political systems. So you're going to see later on how the Ten Commandments emerge and actually become a part of Christianity and become a part of some of the political ideas and systems that are created later on. So the Jewish Ten Commandments are basically a moral and ethical code of conduct that people and societies begin to follow. So let's look at the test question associated with 19b. It was question 15 and it states, what influence from the Ten Commandments continues into our own time today? A, men and women are equal in all respects. B, rulers are not bound by God's laws. C, people should adopt moral standards of behavior. Or D, Jews should spread out to the farthest reaches of their empire. The correct answer here is C, people should adopt moral standards of behavior. So the Ten Commandments are basically the 10 ways in which people should live. So these are going to be the moral and ethical standards of behavior for societies moving forward. A is incorrect because the Ten Commandments do not talk about men and women being equal in all respects. B is incorrect. Rulers are not bound by God's laws. It depends on the civilization on what rulers are bound by. The Ten Commandments are tied to religion, not to actual political ideas at this point. And D is incorrect. Jews should spread out to the farthest reaches of their empire. The Ten Commandments is telling people how they should live, not where they should, how they should live, not where they should live. So that makes this one incorrect.